Okay, yes. My name is Ishmael Matundura, MCA Bogiakumu ward. After the election of last year, my competitor, one of them, filed an appeal against my win, and it was determined in the lower court, and I win the third case. After that, they went ahead and filed an appeal. I've been in court all this time since last year up to now. The chance has been hard for me since I was not able to execute my mandate as an MCA for Bogiakumu ward. But I want to thank my people for their support. They have stood with me, they have prayed for me, and we have worked with them through this hard journey in the court of court. But we thank God today. God has set us free. We have retained our victory, and now I'm ready as an MCA for Bogiakumu ward to work for my people. It happens that I was the same MCA in the previous assembly. This is now my second term that I'm starting today, because I've been in court. There was a court injunction through those bills that were filed. And I also want to thank my lawyers who are here with me, who we have worked with them in this journey. So what I want to promise my people is that I'm willing to work for you. All those promises that I promised you, I'm willing to just deliver them. Roads, water, and education. So thank you so much. Let us join together and work as one people. And also to my competitor, because they are our brothers, they were just looking for what they call their rights. But the court has ruled, and I urge them to come so that we can work together to better the lives of our people. Elections come and they go, but we are there, we remain. Leadership is given from God. Today, I am an MCA in Bogiakumu ward. Tomorrow, they also come in. So I want to ask them to come and assist me, whatever they wanted to do for our people, so that they can advise me. We work for our people. Thank you so much.
Is Wilkins Ochoki. I'm an advocate. I'm here with my colleagues Chris Arati and Violet Moguche. We were the legal team that was representing Honorable Ishmael Matundura in the appeal that had been filed by Eric Ntabo challenging the win. You will notice that the elections were conducted 1 year ago, and we are still here. We've just finished with the appeal process a short while ago. It's been a long journey. You know, Mheshimiwa may not tell you, but it's always traumatic. There are things that the assembly will always not, there are benefits that he was not getting because of the cases that have been in court. For us, we are very, very happy. At least the court reaffirmed the judgment of Honorable Stella Abuya that said that the elections had been conducted free and fairly. Because the appellant, Mheshimiwa Ntabo, had a right to appeal, he exercised his right of appeal, which now has led to the judgment that has been delivered today. So that on behalf of my team, I'll just wish to congratulate Mheshimiwa Ishmael, because I know it's been very painful, and you know, it's always very, very anxious waiting, because you know, courts can always determine matters either way. You are never sure about how it's going to go. So we are very happy with the win. Want to congratulate him and tell him now he's free to serve his people, keep the promises that he made. Don't think there's anyone going to appeal again. The law ordinarily says that appeals end with the High Court, like this one that has been done. So for us now, he's free to go and serve his people. Just to thank him for the opportunity he gave us to offer him legal services. I'm happy that at least this time, like we did the other time, it's gone in his favor. So congratulations, Mheshimiwa, all the best, and we are happy to be in your team.